Theia IDE AI is one of the best newly released AI tools you need to know about. If you've been on the lookout for a powerful, intuitive development environment that leverages AI to make coding easier and more efficient, stick around because I'm about to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about Theia IDE, and trust me, this could change the way you work with code. First, let's talk about what Theia IDE really brings to the table. Unlike traditional IDEs, Theia incorporates AI to provide real-time suggestions, error detection, and even code completion features that are more accurate and intuitive than what we've seen before. It's essentially the future of coding environments, combining the power of AI with an open-source platform. The key standout here is how seamlessly Theia integrates with various programming languages. Whether you're working with Python, JavaScript, or even more complex frameworks, Theia AI offers a tailored experience for each one. It goes beyond simple syntax and predicts what you're likely to code next, making the whole process faster and less error-prone. One thing that stands out is the ease of use. Setting up Theia IDE is as simple as downloading and installing the software. No need to waste time with complicated setups. The interface is user-friendly and designed to ensure that even those new to coding can feel right at home. The AI assistance helps streamline your workflow, guiding you through common coding challenges without overwhelming you. Now, let's get into how Theia IDE handles collaboration. If you're part of a team or working on an open source project, Theia's built-in collaboration tools allow you to work seamlessly with others. You can share code in real time, troubleshoot together, and receive feedback faster than ever before, all while leveraging the power of AI to enhance your productivity. Another feature that really sets Theia IDE apart is its adaptability. The software is built to evolve with your coding needs. As you start working with new libraries or explore different tech stacks, Theia's AI continues to learn from your preferences and adapts to your style, improving suggestions and helping you keep up with the ever-changing landscape of development. What about security? When dealing with code, you want to make sure your environment is secure. Theia IDE does an excellent job of implementing AI-driven security measures, detecting vulnerabilities in your code before they become issues, and even suggesting fixes in real time. This is a game changer, especially for developers working with sensitive or mission-critical projects. Lastly, let's talk about cost. Theia IDE is free to try out, and you can explore all its features without any commitments. For those who might be hesitant, I strongly recommend giving it a go. You can try it from the first link below and see if it's right for your coding needs. So, why should you stick around? By the end of this video, I'll give you my recommendations for the best AI software for developers, after testing thousands of tools. If you're still unsure whether Theia IDE is the right fit, these recommendations might just help. After testing countless AI tools in the coding space, I've seen it all. And Theia IDE is truly at the top when it comes to leveraging artificial intelligence to streamline development. If you want to try Theia or some of my other favorite AI software, be sure to check out the description below where I list the best options you can try completely for free.